Okay, and after the garlic and shallot herbs are almost cooked, they're gonna get golden color to it. You could go ahead and add some the zest of grapefruit zest. You have to have either a channel knife or a zester. If you don't have it, you could go ahead and use the knife. You could just peel it off. But I'm using channel knife, just to peel some off. Don't peel it too much because it will have a big flavor of that. After you peel it off, you go ahead, put it in, and then we're gonna add some champagne in it. Adding some champagne to it. We added already the zest, or grapefruit zest. When it gets to the boil, what you're gonna see in about a couple of minutes, we're gonna use a risotto. This is the special rice you have to use for champagne risotto. You could use other type of rice, but it won't stick. This rice sticks together. Like you see, the champagne reduced once liquid becomes to a simmer. So you could go ahead and add, I would say, 3 cups of risotto. Now we added the rice. We're going to go ahead and mix it. To a medium heat. That way, we'll kind of get that thing, yeah. And after that, once you mix it, you go ahead and add some chicken stock or chicken broth. You could make yourself, or you could buy it at the store. You use any kind you like. And then, before you buy it, you have to mix it. And after mixing, I would say, when you use 3 cups of rice, use 4 cups of water or chicken stock. So we're going to be using
What's the next step after this?
After this next step, we're going to simmer. Let it simmer and let it get cooked.